The Indian Navy is modernizing its MiG-29K jets, partnering with HAL and DRDO for a gallium nitride-based AESA radar integration. This move enhances combat potential by enabling the use of local and non-Russian weapons. The TEDBF program, set for 2035 to 40, plans to replace MiG-29Ks with a new maritime jet featuring a customized AESA radar. This strategic upgrade strengthens operational capabilities and promotes self-reliance in critical defense technologies for the Indian Navy. Dassault Aviation, buoyed by Rafale's success in the Indian Air Force, eyes a $20 billion medium-range fighter aircraft deal. Leveraging cost advantages from the initial Rafale contract and its operational prowess, Dassault faces fierce competition from American and European rivals. The coming months will be decisive in securing India's air supremacy contract. Admiral R. Hari Kumar confirms India's induction of 2 Hermes 900 drones by February 2024, enhancing maritime surveillance. Ordered from Adani Defence and manufactured with Elbit Systems under a transfer of technology agreement, these drones, with 60% indigenous content, signify a step towards self-reliance. The versatile Hermes 900 program bolsters India's defense capabilities in various missions.